One of the British firms stealing the limelight here at Communicatia has been Genesis Technical Systems. I have with me Stephen Cooke. Stephen, let's start by talking about what everybody's talking about here, mBond.
Hi Brian. So mBond is our bonded DSL solution that enables telcos to reuse their copper infrastructure for applications like T1 or E1 replacement, mobile backhaul, basically anywhere they've got lots of pairs, they can provide huge amounts of bandwidth.
And how does it actually work? Give us a bit of a rundown on how an operator would use it.
So basically, if you take the amount of bandwidth you can get over a single pair and multiply it by the number of pairs, for instance, mBond can do up to 12 pairs, you can get significant amounts of bandwidth.
I can imagine. And Asia is obviously an important market for you.
Asia's huge. Asia has a lot of copper, and they don't have a whole lot of fiber at the moment. So the telcos still need to provide the bandwidth to their customers. So they're kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place because they can't afford to put that much fiber out because the population's enormous.
Now, I know you probably can't tell me too much, but I think things are already happening for you guys out here.
You're very good at that, Brian. Yes, of course it has. We just finished a trial with a Tier 1 operator in Asia. They wanted to do high-definition video at distances of a mile or more, and we were able to do that for them very quickly and cost-effectively.
So you've gone from the drawing board out into the field, and it sounds like you've had some pretty impressive results.
Oh, very impressive results. The customer was quite impressed and signed off their test plan quite quickly.
Now, you made your name in Europe initially a couple of years ago with something called DSL rings. That's also a very interesting development, and it even has implications for small cells. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Of course. Basically, we used our bonding technology as part of the DSL ring solution. So the whole idea behind small cells is that you have lots of small radio stations close to where the traffic is generated. So more and more people are using their cell phones at home, which means you need to have a small cell close to your house. The distribution point on the telegraph pole right near your house is a perfect deployment platform. And the biggest thing you need, or two of the biggest things you need with small cells are power and bandwidth. DSL rings as a deployment platform for small cells provides both.
Very interesting. And how has the show been for you?
Oh, it's been excellent so far. We're enjoying our time here and hope it continues.
Okay, well, thanks for telling us all about mBond, and thanks for joining us here at Communicatia.
Thanks so much, Brian. Appreciate it.